What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing the Mercusys MW306R. And no, I did not just sneeze, that is actually the name of the router. We're gonna crack this box open, show you everything inside, take some beauty shots of this little white guy, and run a speed test to see if it's actually fast or just lying on the box like every other router. But first, specs time, because I know you nerds love this part. 2.4 GHz single band, up to 300 Mbps, 3.5 dBi external antennas. So yes, it has 3 little rabbit ears sticking out, and honestly it looks kinda cute. It runs in 4 different modes: router, range extender, access point, and WISP mode. Basically this thing has more personalities than my ex. Now people who actually bought this on e-commerce are saying, fast boot up, great range for the price, and setup is so easy even your dad can do it. One guy said he uses it as a range extender and a main router. Bro is getting his money's worth. For a budget router, the reviews are genuinely solid. No complaints about it randomly dying every 20 minutes, like some other cheap routers we don't talk about. Alright, enough talking. Let's open this bad boy up and see what we're working with. Alright, so I've been using this for a bit now, and I gotta give you my honest thoughts. I placed this thing on the ground floor. Did not touch any settings. Did not move it. Did not even look at it funny. Just plugged it in and left it. And guys, I'm getting signal on the 3rd floor. 3rd floor. No lag, no dropping, just clean connection the whole time. Like, I was genuinely surprised. I expected it to struggle past the 1st floor, but this little 3 antenna. Guy said, nope, I got you. For the price this thing costs, the range is actually insane. 0 configuration, 0 disturbance, just works. Honestly, if you're on a budget and need something that actually covers your whole house,
this might be it.
Solid router, no cap.